First, let's go ahead and take this one off, and then we're going to put the new one on. Okay. Now, make sure the adjustable is up. Of course, you turn it over, and it's laying flat. You know, the head's not up, the foot's not up. It's laying completely flat. We're going to take these slide plates out. Okay, they just slide. That's what they look like. And they only go on a certain way. They can't go this way. They can't go that way. When you put them back on, it's a little bit wider here and thinner here. There's an exact replica of that same one on this side. Pull it off. Okay. Now, before we lift the motor up, we want to make sure all these wires that I showed you, those points, are disconnected. Here's the motor. Here's the pin for the power down box. Okay, it looks like this. You may or may not have a new one come with you. Okay, we'll put that aside. Now we're taking the massage units off. Pull both pins out. Okay, now there's actually nothing connected. The power cord's here. All we do is lift this motor up. Might have to give it a little jerk, but it's out. Okay. Next, we're going to install the new one. The new one here. I want to show you one thing on here. You'll have to realize. Okay. The foot is down this end, and here, hopefully you can see it. You see it's right here. It's got a kind of a flat line, and that's and it has a little bend, and it goes flat. That's the foot side. And here's the head side where it's got that line, but it's got a like you're sitting up, it's kind of show you what end goes where. Okay, so that's the head end. So we don't want to put this like this. It'd be at the foot end. So head in here looks like that. Foot in here looks like that. So now let's take our motor. It may come with, sometimes it actually, you get it like this. The slides are already on. It looks like this. Let's take the slides off. Okay. Put the motor here. One thing, okay. Sometimes you have to grab these bars and just twist them a little bit for that to pop out. Now, this push down is secure. Grab the slides. Okay, just kind of make sure they're actually on properly. Sometimes you may put them on there, but they're not in the right slots. Okay. Now come over here, put this one on, and double check it, and all secure. Now we're going to push these pins back in for the head. Make sure you get the right pin for the right side. It won't hurt it, but if you put them on backwards, when you hit the head vibrator, the foot may actually work. So just make sure you got those lined up correctly. Okay. It's kind of, make sure you got good light, because these are tight little pieces right here. They're kind of hard to see. Now we're putting the other one in. Okay. We got a new power down box. Okay, we're going to plug that in. Now all you have to do now is reprogram your remote control, and since there's so many different types of remote controls, and they sell this particular unit for a lot of different companies, you may have it in your owner's manual how to reprogram it. If not, call Leggett and Platt directly, same place where you ordered your motor from. They have great customer service, and what they'll do, they'll walk you through how to reprogram your adjustable. It'll take like 5 minutes. So hey, it'll save you $100 right there. With that, have a great day.